Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to get a 1099 from the M&T Bank. It's very easy and simple, guys. You just need to go and log in to the bank's online platform. And once you're logged in to the online banking account for M&T, what you can do is navigate to a section which is dedicated just to the tax document. Now, this digital repository basically gives you access to your tax forms, such as the 1099, and you can download this directly from here in a PDF format, and this is compatible with most of the devices. And if you want additional help, guys, M&T's bank's customer service team is also available to assist it through the website as well with any technical issues or questions related to accessing forms. You can also call them as well. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. Just access their online banking platform. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you in the next one.